Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we will explore Snowflake. Uh, this is a cloud-based data warehouse and it's offer you a 30-day trial period, but you have a different options plans like standard version, enterprise version. So we will see in a while. So what is the advantage of the cloud actually? Why Snowflake? So this site has explained why Snowflake can be used. Keep in mind that this is not a Snowflake schema which we use in a data warehouse modeling. This is actually a data warehouse cloud system, right? So where you can actually have a singly fully managed solution and near unlimited resources. You can connect with different type of visualization tool like Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, ClickView, and many others. And govern and secure collaboration is provided. So modern application built on a Snowflake. So this type of advantage you can get from Snowflake cloud. You don't need to worry about infrastructure, you don't need to worry about performances. If you know SQL or Python, you can easily integrate or write your own scripting using Snowflake. So let me get into the demo site. So I have a trial account, so I have already created. For if you want to create, just you need to fill this form. It will send you an email in your account. Once you verify or activate your confirmation your email account, then it will take through in this page. Okay, so I have already created account and let me log in it. Once I log in, so it will show me the worksheet is actually a file where we write a script. So I have two type of scripts, SQL and Python. So I develop these two type of script uh, in my trial period. So but for if you are coming first time, so you will see tutorial 1 2 3 4 and benchmark tutorial. You will not able to see these three files, but you will able to see tutorial 1 2 4 5. So it's you when you log in, you get an idea that how you can write a query. So it's the query is use a standard SQL and query. So you don't need to worry about or learn new things if you know about how to write query in SQL Server or Oracle or Postgres or MySQL. So you can easily develop these queries. In the all object, you will see a database. Under the database, you have a data schema, or you can say schema, and under the schema you have views, function, and table. For example, functions. For example, I have a database where I have a schema, this schema, and then I have a tables, and under table I have a table schema. So you can create these type of things in your visualization Snowflake schema. So and here you have a different type of options. Because I'm using trial, so it will automatically assign compute WH for smaller organization, and we have a account. I am logging as a account admin. Public security, these are the role by default is available, and you can share your uh, work or link to the different people within organization and outside the organization. And once you have a script, so you can run the script, test your script. So this is just an overview session. So let me go back to the database site worksheet, and Here you can create a new worksheet. Just click here. You can have option SQL worksheet, Python worksheet, or you have other type of scripting as well. But when I am going to you know questioning these, so I just provide these two language that I am comfortable with, SQL and Python. That's why it's showing me a SQL or Python only. But when you want to set up or configure, you can apply different languages as well. So dashboard is empty. You can create a dashboard where you can visualize your data, and data again is your actual schema of the data. As I mentioned you that Snowflake is our database, and under the you know uh, database we have a schema, and under the schema we have tables, and once we call tables we have a this type of things. So this is a sample or on the shelf or vanilla flavor type tables are available in the system. Here you show a trial period. You can have a marketplace option where you can economy alert, analytic data COVID-19, so you can extract this as an example. And activity is a history which you what type of query you run, what type of script you run, so it will give you a status, who is executed, how much time it takes, so it will and you can also change the last 3 days, 1 days, last days, so it's totally depend on the filterization. admin part admin part you can actually usage data warehouse. So your warehouse name is this. You can actually change or create another one from your data warehouse. Resource monitoring option, user roles, and security option, billing and terms, like this. So this is and if you have multiple accounts, for example this account is from my previous one which is actually expired, and this one is my current account, so you can switch your account as you want. So, and copy account identifier, this is a actually account identifier, or you can copy URL where you want to actually connect with Power BI or SQL Server, like any other visualization tool. So I think this is first part of the demo.